So hello guys, this is the third part of metallurgy matching problems. So far we have completed 20 matching problems in our previous videos, part 1 and part 2. So this part 3 also will contain some 10 problems. So let's start with the 21st problem, 21st matching problem. So in this matching problem, the match the following fracture surface features listed in group first. So these are the fracture surface features listed in group first with the fracture mechanism listed in group 2. So these are the fracture mechanism. So this striations feature especially found in fatigue fracture. Dimples and microvoids generally found in ductile fracture. Flat facets and river markings found in cleavage fracture, and jagged surface with grain like features generally found in intergranular kind of fracture. So the right answer is P4 Q3 R2 S1. So C part will be the right answer. This is the 22nd matching problem, and we will see the match the scientist pairs listed in group 1 with the phenomena listed in group 2nd. This scientist pair means these group 1, these are the names of scientists. That's why it is called scientist pairs. So the Hall-Page equation is for this grain boundary strengthening, that is P4. Navarro-Hearing, that is for diffusional creep. Lomer-Cottrell, that is for dislocation reaction product, and Frank-Creed, that's for dislocation source. So the right answer is P4 Q2 R1 and S3. C part is the right answer. The 23rd matching problem, match the desired mechanical properties listed in group 1 with the microstructural features listed in group 2. So in this, creep resistance that comes from the single crystal, because there is no grain boundary not available, so that will give the better creep strength or better creep resistance or lesser creep rate. Elastic modulus enhancement, glass fibers in epoxy. Superplasticity, fine grained two-phase microstructure, because that will give the strength and superplasticity also. Increased strength, that is from coherent precipitate. So the right answer is P2 Q4 R1 and S3. So the C part is the right answer. This is the 24th matching problem. So match the entities in column first with the corresponding processes in column second. So this xanthate salts used in flotation, and this thiobariceous ferrooxidines used in bacterial leaching, hydrocyclone used in classification, and anode effects used in extraction of aluminium. So the right answer is B part, that is P2 Q4 R3 and S1. This is the 25th problem. In this, match entities listed in column first with their correct dimensions given in column second. So the drag coefficient matches with, that is M0, L0, T0. So this is almost dimensionless. Mass transfer coefficient, that is LT minus 1. Viscosity, that is R1. So ML minus 1, T minus 1. Mass flux, that is S2, ML minus 2, T minus 1. So the right answer is A part. This is the 26th problem. So match the deformation process in column first with the corresponding stress states. So these are the stresses listed in column second, and these are the deformation processes. So in this one, the wire drawing, tension, forging, direct compression, and this stretch forming, that should be matched with the tension. Okay, so this wire drawing will matches with the indirect compression, not with the tension. So stretch forming is the correct match with the tension, and cutting for shear. So sorry for the mistake, and this is the right part of this. C, this P2, Q1, R3 and S4. So the wire drawing, once again I want to repeat, that wire drawing matches with the indirect compression, forging with the direct compression, stretch forming, that is the tension, and cutting with the shear stress. So C part is the right answer. So in this 27th problem, for each of the crystallographic system listed in group 1, these are the system, match the corresponding minimum symmetry in group 2. These are the corresponding symmetries. So this tetragonal match with the 1 4-fold, cubic that is 4 3-fold, monoclinic that is 1 2-fold, and rhombohedral is 1 3-fold rotation. So the right answer is D part. The 28th problem. So in this problem, this kind of magnetic moment of neighbor atoms in one dimensional lattice in group 1, these are, and to the corresponding magnetic material in group 2, these are the corresponding magnetic materials. So magnetic moment of, like this kind of magnetic moment will matches with the paramagnetic material, and this all the spins aligned in a single direction, that is matches with ferromagnetic material. This anti-parallel, that will matches with the anti-ferromagnetic material, and anti-parallel and unequal with the alternative sequence, that is with the ferrimagnetic material. So the right answer is B part, P3, Q4, R1, S2. This is the 29th problem. In this, match the reactor refining sites in column first with the corresponding refining process in column second. So these are the reactor and refining sites, and these are the refining processes. So in this, first this blast furnace runner, that is matches with the external desiliconization. This AOD process, argon oxygen decarbonization, that matches with the external desulfurization. Torpedo car, that is for dephosphorization, and this basic oxygen furnace, that is for decarburization. So the right answer is B part, P4, Q2, R3 and S1. This is the last problem of this video. This is the 30th problem. In this, match the injection metallurgy techniques in column first. These are the injection metallurgy techniques with the corresponding objectives in column second. So these are the corresponding objectives. So aluminum wire feeding, that is for deoxidation. Calcium treatment, inclusion modification. Argon rinsing for mixing of liquid steel, and lime powder injection is for desulfurization. So the right answer is D part, that is P4, Q1, R2 and S3. So we have completed 30 matching problems up to 3 parts. This is the third matching problem video. So thank you so much guys. We will also come with some more matching problems in our next video. So keep sharing, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.